guessing you're fed up with breakouts that just won't quit. I know the feeling because I've been there staring at the mirror, looking at one spot that's been chilling on your face for weeks like it pays rent. And don't even get me started on the stress of it all. It's like the more you try to fix your skin, the more it rebels. It's frustrating, it's exhausting, and if you're anything like me, you've probably spent way too much time and money chasing after products that promises you glass skin but leaving you more like a glazed donut, and not in a cute way. After doing tons and tons of research on ingredients list and comedogenic ingredients, I've come up with this simple routine, no fuss, and has actually been working for me. It doesn't include a 10-step routine or any trendy miracle ingredient. It's just a simple, effective routine with products that do just their job. As you can see on my face, I still have remnants of spots that I'm still trying to fade, but since I started this routine, I can say that my breakouts have reduced significantly, and I think the reason I've been getting this breakout is mostly due to life's event. I've been feeling quite stressed, and with stress it can cause a lot of hormonal imbalance, which makes your skin easily irritated. So I've settled down to research these ingredients that do not contain any fragrance, any harsh chemicals, very minimal comedogenic ingredient with very low ratings, even if it does contain comedogenic ingredient, because to be fair, a lot of skincare ingredients, even though they promise you non-comedogenic, may still actually contain comedogenic ingredient. So I've researched ingredients that have really low rating comedogenic ingredients and are designed for sensitive skin. So step 1 in this routine is cleanse. Yes, I mean actually cleanse, not just a quick splash of water, but a proper gentle cleanse. This is where the simple refreshing face wash comes in. Why this one? Because it's, well, simple, no fragrances, no harsh chemicals, no fancy marketing hype, just a lightweight gel cleanser that actually does what it's supposed to do, which is clean your skin without leaving it tight or dry. And here's how I like to do it. I wet my face with lukewarm water, not hot water please. If you can tolerate cold water, the better, but I use lukewarm water because the weather has been quite cold, and because hot water can mess with your skin's barrier. Then I squeeze out a small amount of the cleanser onto my hand, and then I lather it up and gently massage onto my skin for about 30 to 60 seconds. And I do this gently, no scrubbing like you're washing dishes. Just treat your skin like it's silk and not a frying pan. Once you're done, rinse it off and pat dry. Pat dry, I mean with your hands. I have stopped using a towel because, you know, there's a lot that goes on with your towel. So even if you're using a clean towel, there's a lot that goes on with having a clean towel, right? You wash with a detergent or even a conditioner, and some of these ingredients may not sit well with your skin, and so best to avoid applying anything on the face really after washing. I just let it air dry, and because I'm making this video, I used a mini fan to hasten the process, but usually I just allow it to dry off naturally whilst I'm doing my body care routine, and by the time I'm done, my face is dry and ready for my skincare products. I think this is an essential step in reducing your breakouts. Yeah, just allow it to naturally dry, and then once it's dry, you move on to the next step, which is to exfoliate. So now let's talk exfoliation. This is where things get a little spicy, literally. If you've seen that red vampire looking mask all over TikTok, then you know what I'm talking about. It's the ordinary AHA/BHA peeling solution, and yes, it actually works. But before you go slathering it all over your face, let me give you a rundown of how to use it safely. If you watched my previous video, you would know that previously I used the Cosmelan to fade my hyperpigmentation, but due to some personal reasons I've had to stop using that. As you can see, my face is still recovering from the use of Cosmelan. I've had to, some of the darkening following Cosmelan treatment is yet to resolve, but I know they would because it's a natural process with Cosmelan. Anyways, back to the ordinary AHA/BHA peeling solution. So I've been using this ordinary AHA/BHA solution, or rather I started using the ordinary AHA/BHA solution because I find that it's a good alternative to the Cosmelan 2. It is cheaper, even though it may not work as fast as Cosmelan 2, it does get the job done. So first thing first, this is not an everyday product. I mean, this is a once in a week kind of deal. You can use it twice a week if you feel like your skin is tough. But for me, I've been using it once a week and I feel that is sufficient. It is a chemical exfoliant and it is strong. It works by breaking down dead skin cells on the surface and unclogging those pores that loves to trap oil and bacteria. So here's how I do it. After cleaning my face and making sure it's dry, you have to make sure your face is dry, and I mean bone dry, no dampness. Once you're sure that your skin is dry, then with dry hands, apply a few drops of the peel to your fingertips or directly on your skin without letting the pipette touch your skin, because you don't want the bacteria on your skin to get onto the pipette and contaminate the product. So apply a few drops on your skin and spread evenly. I've used if you can see in this video, I use just half the quantity of the pipette and apply it on my entire face. So if you are using this product for the first time, start slow, use a smaller amount and work it around your face, and once your face starts to feel like it's tolerating the product, then you can increase your quantity. But even at that, do not use more than a pipette full quantity at a go on your face. While using this product, avoid your eye area, avoid the creases of your nose, and leave it on for about 7 to 10 minutes. On the bottle it says for no more than 10 minutes, but in this video I've left it on for about 8 minutes, about 7 minutes, because it's better to be safe than sorry. So after applying it, it will tingle a bit. Yes, it will tingle a bit, but that's normal and it doesn't do more than tingle. But if you start to feel like it's burning you, please rinse it off immediately. Other than a slight tingle, I've had no other adverse reaction to this product. So please use a timer to make sure you're not leaving it on your skin more than 10 minutes. And after the timer goes off, rinse off again with a lukewarm water and move on to the next routine. So I'm just going to mention here that on the days that are non-peel day, I use the Panoxyl foaming wash instead of the simple refreshing face wash. So the next step is hydration, and I use the snail mucin essence. For me, this stuff is liquid gold because it's so good for my skin barrier, and it's one of those products that you don't know you need until you try it out. It is lightweight, it is non-sticky, and gives your skin that dewy plum look. So after cleansing and using the peel, I wait for my skin to dry up a bit, and then I add 1 to 2 pumps of the snail mucin and apply gently onto my skin. It absorbs super fast, which is one thing I love about this product, and it is hydrating but not heavy. So if you have oily and combination skin, it won't leave your skin like shiny. It's just going to give you that fresh, dewy, glowy look. Another interesting fact about the snail mucin essence is that it is made with snail mucin, which is a natural humectant, and this means that it will pull moisture onto your skin and keep it there. In this routine, the next step is the Aveeno calming balm. So I chose this moisturizer, which I've only recently started using because I wanted something that was designed for sensitive skin and had minimal comedogenic ingredients. I'm going to try and include a list of all of the ingredients and their comedogenic ingredients in this moisturizer. So this moisturizer is thick but not suffocating, and it is perfect for a sensitive skin. The key ingredient here is colloidal oatmeal, which basically feels like it's hugging your skin. If you feel like you've not been able to get a good moisturizer that won't increase your breakout, please do try out this Aveeno calming balm. And guys, this is not a paid post, it is not a PR post. I've been using it and I'm quite satisfied with it. So that is it, you guys. This is my night routine, so obviously no need for a sunscreen. So that's my simple 4-step routine for controlling my acne breakouts. No fluff, no 10-step routine that you probably can't keep up with. Just a simple, effective way to get your skin back on track. And the best part, none of these products cost a fortune. They are quite affordable and you don't have to break a bank to get them. So I'll leave you with this. Consistency is key. None of this will work if you're switching products every week or skipping steps. Your skin needs time to adjust and heal, so stick with it. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, just remind yourself: cleanse, exfoliate, sometimes hydrate and moisturize. 4 simple steps to make your skin better. If you're planning to try out this routine, do let me know in the comment section. And if you've got other routines that have been working for you, I'm quite interested to know, because you guys, we are all in this skincare journey together. I am by no means an expert. I am learning on the go and researching and sharing my results with you guys. So if you guys know of a better routine that's been working for you, do drop it in the comment section. Let's have more discussion around it. Anyways, do like, subscribe, share, turn on your notification bell if you found this video useful, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.